Have you ever felt like life dropped you at the bottom of a broken staircase and you were too scared to climb? I get it. Change can feel overwhelming, especially when it's something as life-altering as divorce in midlife. If you're Gen X and standing at a crossroads wondering, can I really start over? You're not alone. In this video, I want to share a personal story from my own post-divorce experience. It's about fear, growth, and one very stubborn chocolate lab named Coco. When I moved into my new apartment after my divorce, Coco came with me. She took one look at the stairs and crumpled down to the ground, refusing to move. And honestly, I understood her. I've done the same thing in my own life, frozen at the bottom of my own emotional staircase. Afraid to take that first step, but something shifted. Little by little, Coco learned she could do stairs. And I learned I could do hard things. That apartment became our home. And those stairs, they became a symbol of growth for both of us. Here's the truth. Fear isn't just a thing holding you back. It's the door to your next breakthrough. Change will always feel scary at first. But the more you lean into it, the more you discover what you're truly capable of. That's why I do scary things. Not just for me, but so I can help other women do the same. I invite you to take one step outside your comfort zone. Just one. You'll be amazed what's waiting on the other side. And if you're ready to take that first step, I've created something just for you. 31-day Reclaiming You Workbook. A free guide filled with journaling prompts, exercises to help you reconnect with your true self after divorce. You can download it using the link in the description. It's my gift to support your healing journey towards confidence, clarity, and healing. May you be blessed each day as you grow, stretch, and embrace self-discovery. Much love, Coach Debbie Forth Wigley. Bye for now.